Welcome back to the channel, Market Hawks. Hit the like button and subscribe. This is where you come and get your financial gain so they don't run a financial train on you. And I always tell y'all, I don't want y'all to get the wrong impression. This is not financial advice. This is just information that can change your life. In the previous video, we talked about growth stocks. So I'm going to give you a growth stock that you can pay attention to. This stock is called Oklo. Oklo. I'm trying to think of the ticker symbol. I want to say is OKLO. What it is a nuclear reactor stock. Now, this stock is not profitable, not at all yet, but it has a lot of potential. It just got a government contract. And you have one of the number one AI pioneers, Sam Altman. He's heavily invested in this company. So this company is pretty much in line with the administration right now. And when you look at nuclear reactors, that's what's going to be powering the artificial intelligence boom. Now, this stock has been on fire. It's not profitable, but it has a lot of potential. Now, don't get me wrong, it's volatile and it has a lot of risk with it. So, when you get a chance, start following and look at Oklo. Check it out for yourself. Now, I'm not giving you financial advice. You can do what you want, but pay attention to it. But I want you to understand something. Going into the future, look, there's something new that just happened, and it's giving you the picture of the economic view. Trump just pushed an executive order to create a sovereign wealth fund. What is a sovereign wealth fund? A sovereign wealth fund is a gigantic investment vehicle, one of the biggest ones. You have hedge funds, you have investment banks, you have private equity funds. But sovereign wealth funds usually run with 500 billion to 2 trillion in capital. What is it? It is actually a government investment fund. So it's telling you the mind frame of how this particular administration is moving. They're in favor of the investor. So you need to get on board. And I always tell you the reason why you're stressing, because you're working more than you invested. And you have to stay economically woke and pay attention to what's going on. Now, when you see a lot of stuff going on with the different tariffs and all that, we don't know the outcome of it. Tariffs are important. That is the price of doing business from country to country. When you want to come to another country, you want to sell out some product or service, that's the price you pay. How will it turn out? No one knows. But from my perspective, what I see, Trump is in negotiation. He's trying to get better deals as a businessman. So, like you, paying attention to what he's doing, act like a businessman, act like a businesswoman. Make a decision. Begin to start looking at the stock market, because that is where you're going to make your wealth in the sleep. You have all these public traded companies here, and these are the plays. They want America to be the number one investment haven. That's what the tariffs is about. They're trying to create it where everyone is investing in America. Pay attention. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Get economically woke so you won't go broke. Stay on point, and that's what I want you to do. Remember, I gave you the growth company, Oklo. Pay attention to Oklo. It's not profitable yet. It's not even stable, but it's a company that you can start to follow. I'll go in more on Oklo. We'll break that down later. We'll go into the fundamentals. Most of the fundamentals are actually not good, but investors are piling money into Oklo because they may know something that you don't know. The institutional investor is usually always ahead of the retail investor, but that's not always true, because the simple fact, in Market Hawks, we think 50,000 feet above everyone else. When we look at investments, we go into research and we look to see where will the money go next. We like to be there early, because that's how you make the money. You get in early, you sit and you wait and you build your position. But we'll get more into that later on. Like I tell you, wealth is made in your sleep, not on your feet. Hit the like button and subscribe.